The Tager is a modern-style ceiling fan with weather-resistant blades and Hubspace Smart Home Support. The fan is damp rated for indoor or covered outdoor use and is remote control operated. The fan is available with a 52-inch blade span for large spaces, as well as 60-inch and 72-inch blade spans for great spaces. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead, or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is for fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Ensure power is turned off at the breaker. On the fan motor assembly, bring a fan blade and align it with the 3 holes marked with lines in between. Place the blade support plate with screws over the holes and tighten all screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Prepare the canopy assembly by twisting and removing the canopy bottom cover. Loosen both hanger bracket screws. Twist and lift the canopy to remove the hanger bracket. On the ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Slide the wires through the down rod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Note that the down rod does not need to be completely tightened into the collar. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy bottom cover, and canopy over the down rod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to attach the ground lead, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. If you purchased a longer down rod to install on the fan, you can use the included wire extender to provide more length. The wire extender is not required if using the down rod included with the fan. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 outlet box screws. Bring the mounting bracket up to the box and slide it over the screws. Tighten the screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and place the ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the fan to align the groove in the ball with the tab on the bracket. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling and slide it into the hanger bracket with the flat side facing up. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, receiver, and mounting bracket together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire from your ceiling box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the receiver with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the receiver with the hot wire from the outlet box. Connect the 3-pin wire connectors from the receiver and the fan together. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Carefully press and tuck the wires around the sides of the hanger bracket and receiver. Lift the canopy and align the holes with the hanger bracket screws. Twist to hold in place. tighten both hanger bracket screws securely. Lift the canopy bottom cover and align the keyhole slots with the hanger bracket screws. Twist to lock into place. Bring the decorative cover up to the fan and align it over the shaft underneath the motor. Turn clockwise until snug. Safely restore power at the breaker. The assembly is complete and the remote is now ready for setup. On the remote, install the included batteries. Press the on-off button to begin using the fan. By default, the remote's dip switch is in the 0 position and the fan is set to universal operation mode. It will accept commands from any remote in range. If you have multiple fans, they will all be able to work with the same remote. To have the fans paired to individual remotes instead, or to reduce interference, follow these 3 steps to set the fans to paired operation mode. First, set the dip switches in the battery compartments of all remotes to the 1 position. Second, turn off power to the fan being paired for a few moments. Then restore power. Third, within 60 seconds, press the Learn button in the battery compartment of the remote. The fan blades will begin to spin to indicate the pairing was successful. Repeat the pairing process for any additional fans. Once completed, all paired fans will only accept commands from the remotes they were paired with. If you are experiencing issues with the fan, or want to set the fan to universal operation mode again, you can factory reset the fan's programming. First, set the dip switch to the 0 position. Next, turn off power to the fan for a few moments, and then restore power. Within 60 seconds, press the Learn button in the remote. The fan blades will begin to spin to indicate the fan has been factory reset. Press the on-off button to toggle the fan on or off. Every time the fan starts up, the blades will oscillate back and forth for a few moments as part of a self-calibration process that ensures a balanced and energy-efficient operation. Press the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the fan speed. Press the Comfort Breeze button to toggle Comfort Breeze mode, a feature that produces a natural feeling breeze by alternating between lower and higher speeds. Press the Timer button to automatically turn the fan off after a certain amount of hours have passed. You can set the timer to 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Pressing the button a 4th time will disable the timer. With the fan running, you can use the reverse buttons to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. This fan includes smart home functionality through the Hubspace app. To begin, use your Bluetooth-enabled mobile device to download the Hubspace app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app and create an account or sign in with an existing account. Tap the plus symbol on the top right corner, then add product. Use the included Quick Start Guide to find the unique QR code for the fan. If you cannot locate the guide, a copy of the QR code can also be found on the fan's receiver. Scan the QR code with your mobile device. Create a name for the fan and select the room that it is installed in. Then tap Next. Select your local Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Tap Connect. Once successfully connected, tap the Done button. You can now tap your fan from the Hubspace dashboard to access all of the fan's functions. If you are unable to access the QR code or are having trouble connecting, you can use the Discovery mode to sync your fan. In the Hubspace app, tap the search button at the bottom. Tap the My Product Has No Buttons option. Turn the fan off and on slowly 5 times using the wall switch or breaker. The fan will be added to the app and you can complete the setup. You can enable voice assistant controls by tapping the Integrations tab. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Alexa or Google Assistant. A list of voice commands can be found in the owner's manual and by visiting hubspaceconnect.com. For further assistance with the Hubspace app, visit the Hubspace support page. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance with the fan, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.